Today in the livestock complex, live cattle was a little bit easier. It seems that the bearish tone has really was set in to end the week. You know, we had some big downward moves over on Wednesday and Thursday. Today the market started out much lower, but kind of recovered a little bit and just settled down. So it tells me that maybe we found like a little bit of equilibrium. Just remember one thing though, even though we've had a big down move over the last couple of days, we're still much higher from last year, so the market still has a lot more room, and I think that we're going to see that there could be volatility ahead. The cash trade never really did materialize though, and that kind of added to a little bit of that future liquidation, but even breaking through some of these technical numbers, the market still didn't push all the way through, but we are there kind of like dancing with those numbers, so perhaps next week we can see maybe the market toying with that a little bit, or maybe we're going to get a little bit wider ranges. Now the feeder cattle were also lower. The fund liquidation is doing exactly what I said. Now seasonally, beef prices do remain firm, but the market is like very high and not kind of following the recent norms. So that means lots of volatility ahead, and all the fundamentals on that side are really positive. So it was a little strange that the market was sold off. That just tells us we were a little bit overbought. Perhaps there's some overflow buying from the lean hog complex. And speaking of lean hogs, they were a little bit mixed today. The futures are correcting somewhat. They're still on that correction phase, but still relatively high. The number that we were looking for as an objective would be about 84 in the June contract. That being said, that these swings were expected, and there is going to be long-term strength. You know, the African swine fever really is not ending anytime soon. That is going to be an issue for this market for a long time. As a matter of fact, even the CEO of ADM did say that they expected about 20 to 30% of China's annual hog production to disappear due to this problem. So that definitely is going to affect our markets, and maybe to the delight of some of these farmers that have been taking it on the chin all year. So we're going to watch that a little bit. Market correction is really in full swing, but bullish fundamentals still exist. So I think that we've got a lot more volatility ahead.